Hey guys, welcome back to Drew tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you the difference between deleting Threads account permanently versus deactivating it. So if you're not sure whether to deactivate your Threads profile or to delete it permanently, so although both let you stop using Threads, so they have different outcomes. So deactivation is temporary and lets you come back anytime, while permanent deletion removes your Threads profile and content after the deletion process is complete. So in this video, I'll explain the difference and help you decide which option is right for you. So deactivating your Threads profile is a temporary option. So your profile posts, replies, and likes are hidden from other users, but your data is still saved. Whenever you're ready to come back, simply log in again and your profile will be restored. Now, deleting your Threads profile is permanent one. After Meta's deletion waiting period ends, your Threads profile and content are permanently removed. If you change your mind before the deletion is finalized, you can usually cancel the request by logging back in. The good news is neither option deletes your Instagram account. So to deactivate your profile, so what you can do is to open Threads app, then go to Profile. Next, go to Settings in the top right corner. Now, at the very top, select Account Center. Now, in here at the bottom, click Manage Accounts. Select your Threads profile, then click Manage. Now, select Deactivation or Deletion. Then choose Deactivate Profile or Deactivate Account, then confirm the following prompts. To permanently delete your profile, so again, just go to your profile, tap the Settings, go to Account Center, then go to Manage Accounts. Now in here, select Delete Account and just follow the following prompts. Then confirm your request. And that's it. If you just want a break from Threads, deactivating is the better choice since you can return anytime. If you're sure you no longer want your Threads profile or content, permanent deletion is a way to go. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.